Hi, I'm Tekisha Tedder, Program Coordinator on the third year team and your Student Communications Liaison. You will receive a plethora of information regarding the third year, and it may seem a bit overwhelming, but don't fret. Our team is here to guide your experience for success. As your Communications Liaison, I will be your first point of contact. Upon contacting us via email, you should expect a response within 24 hours. Our team strives to provide timely and helpful support and clear communication. It is also our goal to be proactive in our communications by providing you with useful information like requirements and deadlines and other necessary material beforehand. Upon starting your third year, preparations, a few things you need to know are: you must work with an approved third year mentor unless you will study away, but you'll hear more about that soon. You must become affiliated with a third year study program. You must complete a minimum of 10 consecutive months of research, and you will also have a couple other options, like the option to study away and the option to pursue a Duke-approved dual degree. So here's how you get started. Start by browsing the third year website. Take some time to review each study program and determine which you would like to be affiliated with. If you have any questions, each study program has a director. They're listed on the website too. Then move along to the third year mentors. Each approved mentor is on our website with a picture and department affiliation. You can click on the hyperlink to obtain their contact information. You may also find each on the Scholars at Duke website. In addition to those options, you will have access to DMAS, the Duke Mentor and Student Searchable Database. DMAS is used to also investigate mentors. Once you've done this, you're off to a great start. Also, think about if you would like to study away. While Duke offers about everything you need in research, you have the option to study at another institution. You may even consider obtaining a dual degree. Guess what? Those are on the website too. While you're there, review the third year internal scholarship options. Now, I know you've gotten excited about your plans. I'm excited too. I want to make sure you all have the resources that you know where to find them. Number one, Canvas is your friend. You should have a course that says Planning for Third Year. Use it. It has everything you need. Number two, you have the third year website, and I've talked about a lot of the things that are already there, but you'll be able to find things about mentors, information about study programs and the study program directors, third year internal scholarships, dual degree programs. And number three, DMAS. You'll have access to the Duke Mentor and Student Searchable Database, and this is a portal used to help you identify a mentor. Number four, we have our mandatory third year research fair. Here as well, it will be provided space for you to network by speaking to stakeholders of the third year, and guess who else is there? Program study directors. Find out more information here also about all things third year. I hope this information has been helpful thus far, and our team looks forward to helping you in any way. Come see us on the third floor of Sealy Mudd Building in room 0361A. It's in the suite with the registrar's office and the financial aid offices. Or you may also contact us via email. I'm your first point of contact at thirdyear@dm.duke.edu. Talk to you soon.